Alright, hi everybody. We are going to start with a solving equations problem with fractions, and this is the method we like to call fraction busting. So we're going to bust up the fractions. So let's say we have the equation x over 4 minus 5 over 6 equals 7. So pretty messy, pretty complicated. We could leave the fractions and use standard methods of solving equations like adding 5, 6 to both sides. But as you know, dealing with fractions can be kind of messy, so what we're going to do is the fraction busting method. What we're going to look for, well, what makes a fraction is the denominator. So we're looking at the denominators, and we have 4 and 6 as our denominators. So the question we want to ask ourselves is, what number can be divided by both 4 and 6. Now there's a couple different answers, and there's one in particular we call the LCM, the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of our denominators 4 and 6 is, that's right, 12. So 12 can be divided by both 4 and 6, and that's what we're going to use to multiply each term in our equation. So we're going to take this first term, which is x over 4, we're going to multiply that by 12. We're also going to take 5, 6 and multiply that by 12 as well. And we're also going to multiply 7 by 12 as well. And so by doing that, by multiplying each term by 12, that's going to create an equivalent equation. So we can do this a couple different ways. One, we can just multiply across and then simplify, and let's do that first. So each of these 12, this is just 12 over 1. Okay, so we have 12 times x, which is 12x in our numerator, over 4 times 1, which is just 4. Next term, don't forget your subtraction in the middle, 5 times 12, which is 60, over 6 times 1, which is 6, equals, then we get our 7 times 12 over on the other side of the equation, and we get 84. Okay, now what we'll notice is that 12x divided by 4, well, we know that 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 12x divided by 4 is just 3x. And the way that this works out is that we get 60 divided by 6, which is 10, and that is equal to 84. Now, we have a two-step equation that doesn't involve any fractions, and we can solve. If you need more help on solving two-step equations, keep an eye out for my upcoming videos, Solving Equations.